Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free YouTube video intro with Canva, actually animated intro. So what you do, you come to Canva and you can click here on templates and just search up YouTube intro. Okay, then you can scroll down and choose from all of these different templates that they have available. You can do one from scratch as well. Some are pro, some are free. So let's pick one. This one looks good. Okay, some of them you can even have your logo, for example, here. So pick one that you like, right? So let's say, for example, this one. Let's go for this one right here. We'll click on this, and then I want you to click on Customize this template. So as you can see, the format is video landscape. So that is basically the format for YouTube, right? And then what you want to do is open up the template and then we can begin editing it. All right, so now let me show you how to edit this. So you can click on any of these elements and you can change them. So let me zoom in. So here you can change your website. So let me go ahead and make this appmentor.com, www.appmentor.com. So we have customized that. And here they messed up this spelling of the channel right here. So we'll go ahead and fix that. There you go. And then you can go ahead and change these as well if you want. Let's make sure those spellings are correct. Let me show you how to change this image. So this, basically, you can go ahead and add uploads right here, your own uploads. So I have image added. So you can just drag and drop this right there. And as you can see, it gets replaced. And let me just play this sample. Okay, let's go ahead and close this one. Of course, you can choose your own element. You can change this to square if you wanted. And let's zoom out. Now let's play this video. See what it looks like. As you can see right here, it is playing. Just a moment. The intro is starting. Perfect. That looks nice. And you can also go ahead and add audio. And the way you do that, you come here, you add audio. So you can just go ahead and choose from the list of audios they have. You can do a voiceover, AI voice. They have a lot of free music as well that you can go ahead and use. It's really that easy. And what you do at the end, you just come here, click the top right, click on share, click on download, and you can download this as an MP4 video. So that'll be your intro. You download this one, okay? And once it is done downloading, you can just open this up in a new tab as well, or File Explorer or your video editor. As you can see right here, has begun downloading. Okay, and I'll open this up in a new tab just to show you. So let's go ahead and drag this to the new tab. Let's play the video. There you go.